That fast? Seriously? Oh my God, you got a good tan.
Yeah.
Where have you been?
What do you mean?
Hey, you got a few cut. Listen, you want to talk about legal aid?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, look at that. You're growing a beard?
Well, it's long
undercover?
Story. Long story.
Long story. Undercover?
Yeah, something like that.
2 cops watching us right now. We're going to be arrested. Justice Minister, harassment. Listen, you want to talk about legal aid?
Yeah, let's talk.
Okay. Listen, well, how come, like I was arrested last month, and I don't have the right to a lawyer? It's a summary conviction. Thank you, TJ.
You have a right to a lawyer, Charles. We went through this before.
Yeah, but it's a summary conviction.
You have a right to a lawyer. Everybody has the right to a lawyer.
You sure you want to talk like this? Because everybody trying to stop you every time.
But I'm meeting with the task force on the family law, release of the family law report today.
What's your opinion about legal aid being cut?
Well, I've already explained that.
Can you explain it to the public that people are worried about legal aid being cut?
Yeah, I've done that already, like numerous times, Charles.
Not with me.
Well, yes, you watch the Legislative Assembly.
No, I don't.
The economy.
If you can, you don't have to.
It's a tough file. The end result is, Charles, that the province administers legal aid. The federal government provides us with the funding. Once upon a time, the federal government used to give us more money for criminal legal aid, so people who were arrested with serious offenses, the government had a lot of money to help those individuals out. And over several years, the federal government, and I'm not pointing it politically, on both levels of government,
of course,
both federal liberals and federal conservatives have taken away money from legal aid. And so they've reduced the cost, and with the reduction of costs and the proliferation of criminal charges, it's more difficult to provide these particular services. On family law legal aid matters, the federal government provides no money whatsoever to the province of New Brunswick to help provide and meet its constitutional obligations to provide individuals lawyers with legal aid on domestic matters. So it's a money issue, and it's unfortunate.
Of course.
We're trying to do what we can to address it. In fact, today we're releasing our family law task force report, which will make the system that much better. It's been something that I've been working on since day one as Justice Minister.
I know you. That's the first thing you told me when you got appointed Justice Minister. Yeah. Legal aid. We're gonna look into it.
Legal aid. Transforming family law.
Exactly. And you were quoted Milton in front of judges. You were gonna do something. They said talk is cheap. It's been like that for 20 years. They hear that.
Today we get to deliver on that. So.
What about the case of Ashley Smith? Like, you know, that's her sentence increased, like me. I can have cops who can lie on the stand to convict me, which you politicians will be happy, and then I'm on. Oh, yeah, of course not. So.